Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Paul Moorhead. I'll be your facilitator for this class, and over the next 8 weeks, we're going to get to know each other fairly well. I really look forward to being your mentor and your guide through these next 8 weeks. So, we're going to be covering a lot of technical skills and some creative processes as we dive deeper into these applications. These are applications that I use professionally for my freelance and client work. We're going to be talking a lot about Photoshop. We're going to we're getting very in depth with this program. We're going to be covering most of the tools, a lot of the technical skills, and some of the theory, the design theory and principles that we will be implementing. Next, we're going to be looking at Illustrator, and we're going to be covering more of the how to use it in a design sense, as well as how Photoshop and Illustrator can be combined, like how the powers of them combined, as well as looking at InDesign. And InDesign, we're going to be taking a much more basic and rudimentary approach and just covering some basic functionality and how to integrate both Illustrator and Photoshop into that program. So we really look forward to having you for this class, and I'm so excited that you're here and that you're choosing this. I think you'll learn a lot, and I think you're going to gain a lot of valuable skills for your career and for many different paths that you'll be taking in life. So welcome, and I'll see you online.